Hello and welcome to this video. Another day, another challenge log. This one is one of the goodies MellowGrellow added to his package. It's a Basta and it was pinned by Tencel Spider and he gave it the number 19. Key is wrapped up. Yeah, I have not yet tried to pick it. Again, I'll try to share with you the first time of the opening. So it's locked up. I apply tension from the pin side and I'll start with a deep hook from Sparrows. Alright. I think 4 is binding. 3 is binding. 2 and 1. Everything's really stiff. So try again with even lighter tension. I start with 1 this time. 1 is springy. 2. I think I could set 2 a little bit deeper. 3 is stiff. 4 is stiff. 5 is stiff. Wow. This lock does not give much feedback. Okay, I apply a little bit more tension. But 1 is still springy. I think I get something from 2. No. Pins are all working. So I have to try again with even lighter tension. And let me zoom in a little bit. Ah, okay, that was 2. Got a false set. 1. False set is even deeper. That is 4. Counter rotation. Not sure if I got it. Okay, got my false set back. Was 2 again. False set is deeper than before. 1. Counter rotation. False set is gone. False set is back. Back on 1. False set is back. But 1 is up again. Maybe 1 wants to stay there. So check for other pins. Almost no tension. That was 1 again. Maybe that hook is not deep enough, don't know about the bitting. Okay, got my fourth set back. Okay, I tried to use a deforest diamond. That fits nicely in there. Counter rotation from 4, I think. Okay. Three. Not sure. I think it's only one pin that's holding us up. So let's see. That's 5. It's stiff. 4. It's 4. And open. Yep. Alright, 6 minutes. Let's try it again. Be a little bit quicker this time. Okay, full set. Let's see. Again, full set. Check 1. Okay, 1 is set but lost the full set. And it's open. Haha. Alright, so now let's cut it. Alright, here are the pins. We've got serrated key pins. 5 has 2 serrations. The drivers are a spool and a wafer, but I think the wafer was towards the spring, so just to ensure that the whole stack here is long enough. Then we have a very interesting serrated one, another spool and another spool. 3 is a little bit thinner than 4, and we have I think it's called drunken spool, a small a pin with a smaller diameter towards the spring and the wafer on top, so that it can freely float around. Then let's have a look at the plug. Plug has threaded chambers in 1, 3 and 5. 2 is enlarged. And 4, I'm not sure what's up with 4. It's also a little bit enlarged. Not that much as 2, but a little bit. Then we have the Bible. And I just recognized that there are set screws. So there are probably modifications in all the chambers. At 5 we see that there is a little bit enlargement, and for the others I cannot see any modifications. No, doesn't look like. Everything's smooth. Alright, so that was picking and cutting of the Tencel Spider number 19. It's a Basta lock. Yeah, thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much MellowGrellow for sending this lock to me, and Tencel Spider for making it. It was great fun to pick. Yeah, thanks for watching. Happy picking. Bye bye.